Alright, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I kinda screwed up this panel. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the Mazda. More specifically, we are completely restoring this vehicle. It's in somewhat stripped shape, somewhat sanded shape, somewhat, oh, it's a mess. And there's a lot of different colors on this car at the moment. Like this is the original color, and there's some gray, some lighter gray, and some darker gray. I've stripped this car so long ago, I can't even remember where all the parts are, where everything goes. So for part one, we are going to be fixing some parts, sanding some parts, fixing dents, doing some welding, all the nitty-gritty stuff that has to be done first. Basically the worst part of the restoration process. So if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It'll really help a lot, and it'll even fuel the channel for more projects like this. And you might be wondering why I've got newspaper wrapped on the fenders. So that's just to keep the salty air from getting to the panels. We already sanded it, and there's bed metal, which as you can see isn't safe around here. But this is now probably more than a year's worth of sitting. Now I have to get back to it since I've got leave. The engine is actually covered up under this tarp, so I have to give that a decent service. It was actually serviced just before I pulled it out. Unfortunately not the rotary. I wish I could swap a rotary into this fan. I also want to replace with the electric fan. Hopefully this channel grows and you have to subscribe so that we could do projects like this in the future. But for this one, it will just have to stay mostly standard. I've got aftermarket wheels for this. These are little biscuit wheels. All this I'm going to rubberize on the inside. I've got a lot of work to do on this still. This thing's been sitting here for years and years and years. I've got all the chrome trim for it, everything. I still have to do some interior work. This steering wheel's seen better days, but this is one rare steering wheel. Yeah, so hopefully we can, who knows, even if this channel grows quickly, we might even be able to do a engine swap in this, which you guys can comment down below what you'd think would be the best for a 74 Mazda Capella 616, which was the RX2 model, but this is now the 4-door. I actually do like the 4-door, to be honest with you. I don't know if I'm too much of a fan of the coupe. Got original leather interior. Everything's like near immaculate. Just got a small tear on the top there of the rear seats, but that's it. Other than that, still nice and soft. Just give that a nice detail. I still have the emblem for this lying somewhere. I think it's over here underneath the dash. So this actually sits right there. I still want a different gear lever knob, and some interior work like the boots that I need to replace. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far, and if you want to see this thing change, if you want to see a different engine in it, some suspension work, maybe a new differential at the back, who knows, all depends on how this channel goes. So like, subscribe, comment down below what you think, what you want to see, and we'll see if we can make it happen. She doesn't look great at the moment, but soon be up and running and spotless. Can't see it at the moment. But first we have to get on to fixing the panels, and this is where it started going sideways.